Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Airtable as a lightweight CRM easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Airtable as a lightweight CRM, start by signing in to your Airtable account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Airtable website and following the sign up process. Once logged in, click on the Bases tab on your dashboard. Select Create a Base to start a new project. You can choose to start from scratch or use a template. If you opt for a template, search for CRM options in the template gallery. After selecting a template, give your new base a relevant name. Next, familiarize yourself with the Airtable interface. Locate the table where you will store your contacts. Column headers should include fields like name, email, phone, company, and notes. Click on the column names to rename them according to your needs. To add a new contact, click the plus Add a Record button at the bottom of the table. Fill in each field with the appropriate information for your contact. You can also add additional fields for custom data as needed. To categorize or tag your contacts, create a single select or multi-select field. This will help you filter and segment your contacts later. Next, consider integrating calendar views if you need to schedule follow-ups. This can be done by selecting Calendar View from the Views menu. When you're ready, use the Group feature to organize your contacts by categories. This will give you a clear visual representation of your contact list. To utilize Airtable's powerful filtering, click on the Filter option at the top of the table. Set up filters to view specific segments of your contacts. You can also share your base with team members by clicking on the Share button. Set the necessary permissions to control who can edit or view your base. Explore Airtable's rich features like automations to streamline your workflow. You can set up email reminders or notifications for important tasks. Finally, regularly update your records to keep your CRM data accurate and current. With these steps, you have now activated Airtable as a lightweight CRM tailored to your needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.